Hello from Steve at Federal Military Parts, here today to talk about military Humvee tires that you can use not just for your military Humvee, but also for your civilian 4x4, Ford, Dodge, Chevy truck. Depending on the year, basically if you've got a 6.5 inch by 8 lug bolt pattern, these will mount right up on your wheel hubs. On the far left here, we've got the Goodyear MT, in the middle, the BFG, and on the end, the Goodyear MTR. That is the Kevlar reinforced tire. You'll take note that they are either 24 bolt or, on the far left, a 12 bolt wheel. And those, of course, are just the bolts that hold the two parts of the rim together, because these are a two-piece rim. That is so that you can change your tires fast and easy out in the field. Also, this is the run flat insert, the solid rubber run flat insert, weighs about 30 pounds. That way, if you do get a puncture, it doesn't go completely flat out in the field. So we've got the three different bolt wheel lug patterns as well. That was the Goodyear MT. This is the BFG. And here's the Goodyear MTR, that is the Kevlar. We carry all three. All of these are used. They all have different prices depending on the tread depth. Only one of them has the Kevlar reinforcement. As far as load range, some are load range D and some are load range E. And that is all on our website. Check it out at federalmilitaryparts.com.